What's up, y'all? Today I'm going to teach you how to play Yukon by Justin Bieber. I'm going to give you the chord progression, I'm going to break down how to play each chord, and I'm going to give you the strumming pattern that you can use for the song. Timestamps are going to be in the description and pinned comment down below so you can refer to that if you need to. First, here's a little preview of what it's going to sound like. Yo, real quick, I'd like to thank everyone who has donated to the channel so far. If you'd like to donate to keep these tutorials going, I have my Cash App and my Venmo up on the screen right now. Again, I appreciate it. And now, back to the video. I know you like to go slow, but we can go faster. Tell me the password. Slide City, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. I'll bring nice things. Slide City, slide, when you're the man trying to get in the bed. So I'ma get slouched instead. I know it's gonna make you beg. So as you can see, I have a capo on the 3rd fret. Every chord that I teach is relative to the capo. Really easy song is only 3 chords. The 3 chords you need to know is A minor 7, B minor 7, and E minor. And now here's a breakdown of how to play the chords. So first we have A minor 7, so we're putting our fingers on the 1st fret of the B string and the 2nd fret of the D string. It's gonna sound like this. Next chord is B minor 7, so we're going to bar the 2nd fret and we're putting our fingers on the 3rd fret of the B string and the 4th fret of the D string. And it's going to sound like this. Last chord is E minor, so we're going to put our fingers on the 2nd fret of the A and the D string, and it's going to sound like this. Alright, so that is the chord progression exactly in that order. And if we think about it in 4 counts, it's going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So really easy. Every chord gets a 4 count except for the E minor. It gets 2 4 counts. So here's a strumming pattern that you can use. So for the A minor 7 and the B minor 7, what I do is I'll pluck the A, strum down, and then I'll pluck the A, D, and then strum down again. So, again, A, strum, A, D, strum. So A, D, A, D, A, D, A, D. Okay? So we're going to do the same thing for the B minor 7. So A, D, A, strum, A, D, strum, A, strum, A, D, strum. I'll go a little bit slower for you guys. I'm going a little bit fast. So A, strum, A, D, strum, A, strum, A, D, strum. Just keep practicing that. Okay, again, A minor 7, B minor 7. Okay, so we're just doing that once for each of the chords. But now when we go to the E minor, we're doing something similar, but instead of plucking the A string, we're plucking the low E string. So low E, strum, low E, D, strum. Okay, so E strum, E, D strum, E strum, E, D strum. Go a little slower for you guys. E strum, E, D strum, E strum, E, D strum. Okay? And for the E minor, we're doing that pattern twice. So A minor 7, B minor 7, E minor. and you're gonna do that for the entire song. But like I always say, if you have another strumming pattern or plucking pattern that you want to use, by all means go ahead and do so. You are the creator, but that is how you play the song. All right, y'all, as always, I appreciate you tapping into this video. I hope that this tutorial helped you out and added value to you. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave it down below and I'll do my best to answer each one. If you feel like this video really helped out, go ahead and share it with someone that wants to learn the song. While I have your attention, I'd like to invite you to follow my other social media pages. I have TikTok and Instagram. I'll go ahead and link those in the description and pin comment down below. I have tutorials on there that I don't necessarily have here on YouTube, so you might want to go ahead and give me a follow. Right now, there's another tutorial popping up on your screen. I think you'll like this one as well, so go ahead and check it out. And I'll see you guys on the next video.